In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove people from your pictures with a few simple steps using Photoshop. So before you even start editing, make sure that you brought a tripod to your location. Set the camera on interval timer and have it take a picture at about every 15 to 20 seconds depending on the location. Once you've taken the pictures and imported them as you usually do, you can edit them or leave them as they are, and you'll see that they look a little like this. So everything that is static remains static, and everything that is moving is of course moving. Then you'll go into Photoshop, click File, Scripts, load files into Stack, browse for the folder of the prepared images, and select all of them. Now you'll see that they have imported in here. Click OK. Now Photoshop will import all those files, so all those pictures that I've pre-prepared before, into my layers. So I can go now is I can go and see into my layers here on the right side that they are all imported. I'm going to select all of them and then go into Edit, Auto Align Layers, remain on Auto, and click OK. Now what this is going to do, Photoshop is going to make sure that everything that was static will remain aligned in all the pictures. This step can take a couple of minutes depending on the size of your files, and I'll check back with you in a couple of minutes when it's done. Alright, once Photoshop is done auto-aligning all the layers, you're going to go back to your layers, make sure they're still all selected, right-click, and convert them to a smart object. Now we're going to make changes to only one file. You're going to have that selected, and you're going to go to Layer, Smart Objects, Stack Mode, and select Median. Now what Median is going to do is going to remove all those people, so everything that was moving will be removed. So there it is, that's the end result of this project. Now it could happen sometimes that if people were standing a bit longer in one position that you'll get these smudges. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a brush tool, spot healing brush tool, to remove these, and I'll check back with you once I'm done. Alright, so this was after the median was applied, and this is after I've just quickly brushed out those smudges. Now all the people have been removed, and this is exactly what we wanted to do with this picture. But a bonus for this tutorial is if you maybe want to place yourself in the picture as well, so I can show you how to easily do that as well. So you're going to use the marquee tool, select yourself or the object that you want to paste in, press copy and press paste. I'm going to zoom in so that it'll give us a bit more, to be more exact to work with. Place yourself exactly in the location where you want to be at. Use the eraser tool just to get rid of everything around. And I'm now going to just quickly edit this and show you the final result. So this is it, the final picture. No people and only me on the staircase. So here you can see the before and the after. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!